Good morning and welcome to the Edges of Earth. My name is Brock. Today I'm in Vlora and I'm going to go to a different area. You can't see it, the mountain's in the way, but just on the other side of that mountain there's like a small little village and it looks like it has a pretty cool beach from the aerial view. So I'm going to take a little journey and go over there, but I gotta go find a bus. Amazing. So I just got dropped off. It took about 27 minutes to get here. I have no idea where I'm going or what I'm doing. I guess I'm just going to walk in that direction just to kind of see what this little town is like. It's really cool. You can't see it yet, but there are mountains over there still covered in snow, and it's very, very beautiful. It's about the end of March right now, so it's pretty chilly. I can't feel my hands. The temperature over there said 16 degrees Celsius, so it's still a little bit chilly right now. Hopefully the sun will warm things up pretty soon. Anyway, so let's just kind of explore and see what this place has to offer. I'm definitely going to stop and grab some coffee somewhere. So after like 4 minutes of walking, I made it through the whole town. I'll probably come back. But there's one road that goes all the way from here to the beach. I guess I just want to follow it. I'm more interested in the beach because I know it's so beautiful here. And then I'll probably go back to find some lunch or something in the afternoon. But right now it's, I don't know what time it is, like 9:30? Yeah, 9:45 a.m. So I'll be here for a while. Wow, so this place is beautiful, huh? Jeez. I seen a couple photos online and I thought, oh my god, it's pretty, but I didn't think it was gonna be this pretty. This is unbelievable. Too bad it's super cold. Nobody's here. I feel like I'm the only man walking in this whole place because it's so cold still. But I'm assuming in another month, this place is just gonna open up and be packed full of people. Oh my god, it's so cool here. Okay, now I think now I'm gonna check this place out for coffee. I really can't feel my face or my fingers. I'm so cold. Maybe I'll even play on the little playground. Alright, cool. So I got a little bit of coffee. Thank God. I'm pretty cold. I'm still pretty cold. I would love to be here in the summer. So I just finished a cup of coffee. Now I'm kind of going back to the city, the town, the village. I'm not sure what it is. Going back this way. There's like a hill over here with buildings on it. Looks kind of interesting, so I'm kind of going in that direction. So all over Albania, there's these leftover bunkers. I don't know how old they are, but they're literally everywhere in this country. So I made it kind of like to the edge of the town, I guess. I didn't really plan on coming out here. It just kind of happened. My curiosity always kicks in and I think, I'll stop here, but then I see something that I want to see, so then I will go further. Once I get there, then I'll see something else and I'll keep going a little bit further. And it just, it's a cycle that doesn't stop. So anyway, the road officially turns to dirt up here. Anyway, a lot of chickens. I'm only concerned about dogs. Dogs are the only thing that really make me nervous. So I hear a lot of screaming coming from this area, so I figured I'd go see what they're playing. My guess is soccer. Wow, so it's been like 2 hours since I talked to you. I have walked all over this place, but everything kind of looks the same, so I kind of stopped filming a little bit. But I'm on my way back to the ocean, the sea again, because I'm going to go to that restaurant to eat lunch. It's Sunday today, and basically everything is closed right now. There was two shops that were open that I could find, but they were just coffee shops and they had no food. One was a food shop, but unfortunately, when I walked in, they said, "Oh, sorry, we're closed." So anyway, I'm going all the way back to the ocean. Hopefully they have food there. So they also have food, so I decided to stop, but unfortunately, they're also closed. So she recommended that I go all the way back down to the end, and hopefully they will have food there. She said they will. So I found some food. I ordered a pizza and some canned lemonade stuff. Super healthy today, I know. Now I have no idea where I'm going, what I'm doing, just like usual. I have a long way to go back. I should probably start heading that way soon, even though I don't know what time it is. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I looked yesterday and at 5 o'clock it was freezing out at night, so I gotta start walking that way and find a bus to take me back. I hope I can find one. I don't know if there's enough people. I have no idea. Just no idea. So anyway, I have to start walking back. God, it's so beautiful. I wish you could see the mountain. You probably can't. Where is it? This one? No. This one. The mountain is just unbelievable back there. It's so cool. It's so beautiful. So that's it. I made it back. Everything is good to go. I was on the bus and I got the back seat and I was the last one on, and so I had to stand the whole time. I stood up with my butt against the wall, and I was on top of a dead sheep, like a sheep carcass, unfortunately. So I had to stay there. The man was so worried that I was gonna have the smell was going to be bad, but I said, that's no problem. But yeah, I had to, my butt hurts, my back hurts. For 27 minutes I had to be on that thing. Anyway, other than that, it was a fun day. I made it back. Everything's good to go. Hopefully you enjoyed watching the crazy, weird videos that I make, and hopefully you enjoyed the views. I did. They were pretty cool. Thank you all for watching. Remember, your time is running out. Start living. Take care.